Do you struggle to understand movies in English? Is it hard for you to understand and communicate with native speakers? Do you want to have better conversations? These are some of the problems I had when I started learning Spanish in 2016. I specialize in teaching natural, conversational American English. I want to help you understand everyday English so you can speak like a native speaker. My name is Vinny. I'm from Wisconsin in the United States. I've been learning and teaching languages for over 10 years. My interests include yoga, meditation, travel, natural and organic food, reading, and dancing. I will help you improve your communication with native speakers so you can be more successful in your personal and professional relationships. In my classes, you will have a fun, interactive, and creative experience. We don't just practice boring grammar exercises. We look at pictures, make flashcards, write stories, and have interesting conversations. When you study English with me, you can't fail. What are you waiting for? Let's start learning today. Contact me now to book a trial lesson.